Careful. So if I buy a balloon for you guys, you'll feel better. All right. Welcome to 2021. So finally, I and Gina are going to make our hair. Finally, if you watched my last vlog, then I told you guys that my hairdresser, hairstylist, hair maker disappointed us. So I was like, so me to just be sitting at home and be getting angry. Let me now go out because there are so many salons. So so this is what Gina is using to make her hair. Yeah, she's going to make it a pinky hair. Yeah, I was super excited for the hair. Like, I was so excited for this hair that when she disappointed me, I think it was paining me more than Gina. Anyway, so we're on our way to the salon. So I'm actually at the place where we're going to do our hair. I actually packed 2 bags. This is Gina's bag, everything here, her snacks. I actually took bread sandwich and so an apple, drinks, sweets. You know how kids are, so that she won't disturb me. And then this is baby's bag. Everything, water, her food, her clothes, everything is here. No.
Today. Mandicland. Oh, Mom.
Of course. Well, you always ask me that. Like I was going to leave all
This morning or in the afternoon?
later in the day, in the evening.
In the evening. I know. You want to ready to step inside? Hold your buffers out
Meanwhile, I wanted to show you guys something. Guys, see the sponge I use. Growing up, this is what we used in my house, and I feel like this is more efficient than this. This is like a waste of money to me because it doesn't last, and it gets like, it just doesn't do it for me. I just noticed that I went back to my old ways, and this is best for me, really. I know it might look somehow to some people, but it's actually very clean. I make sure it's very, very clean. And this is gotten from Gary bag, rice bag. If you've been using this soap is quite expensive now. When I started buying this soap, I started buying it like 250, 300 or so, or 300, 350, I can't remember, I'm not sure. But now it's about 700 and something naira, which is too much. So what I do is to mix it with water. I divide it into 4 portions or 5 portions and then mix it with water, and this just works for us very, very well. If you don't have the proper sterilizing unit, you can just get this bucket. This is very, very good, and you can use it to put all your bottles, you know, whatever, and just put your sterilizing, your melting or whatever you use, and this just works. And you can see it's sealed. You just put your water, measure it. You just have to follow measurements, okay? So this works very, very well. We're ready. That's your baby girl and your baby boy.
for Ola.
Say hi. I'm going to bring Ola.
Hi.
They look good, right? Gina, do you look good? Do you feel good? You're just watching TV. That's my boo. Fixing up their fish shield. This is baby's bag. I'm also carrying her food, and I'm carrying some apples for the kids and sweets, and that's water for everybody. And finally, me. Yo, it's too zoomed out. So this is me. I actually wanted to do makeup, though I decided not to do makeup. So this is my look. So let me go and carry baby, and then we're off. Let me carry baby. I have to carry. You know, you've not carried anything. So guys, nothing is happening there. It's closed. Like, we're even thinking maybe some things were not working, because when you look, you know, Abuja is a bit hilly, so when you look from up, you see the place very well. We thought maybe some things were not working, that's why things were not moving. But when we got there, nothing was happening. It was closed, and we're heading to Central Park, and we hope Central Park is open, because like let today not be wasted. No, don't do, Gina. Ah, Ife. Yes. Careful.
Whoa.
If are you scared?
No.
Just a little.
I'm going to squiggly wiggly one again. I'm in the hoop.
Can you come out, please?
Yes.
Never gonna break you down.
Oh, it's fine. You know, your TV, bro.
So I'll tag you. I'll tag your wife's YouTube channel.
I will not be ashamed. Girl, I go naked for you. Even though we are sent, it go be like we mad, oh my dear, oh my dear. Imagine your hand inside the mind, dear.
Have you seen that?
Wait, I didn't say what I'm seeing that. I wanted to say what I see. Because you wanted me this thing before.
If you what?
I see me clothes. I'm so car sick.
You're so car sick. Sorry.
Drinking water. I'll tell you the balloon.
Okay.
That will feel better.
Okay, the balloon will make you feel better.
Even
Okay.
me.
Okay.
The feeling sad I face playing cars.
Okay, you're feeling sad that Ife is car sick. So if I buy a balloon for you guys, you'll feel better. Alright. Alright.
We have sensitive ears and sensitive looking and eyesight. Dad is here.
Okay.
Mom.
This is very nice.
Okay. What's
Then
the
115 for children
then
because they have games, plenty to do.
Okay.
And 1K for adults.
to go and stand there and be watching?
Well, no, they'll give us drink or something, snacks. Adults.
Okay.
This is nice. Children have a lot of things. Every game is free.
But it's not late.
No, people are coming. I see people that are passing, talking to the place.
Okay.
And now people don't they come there now.
Oh yeah, no. Do you ask if I can carry my camera?
I don't know.
But I'll carry it.
I don't think so. I don't think it's a problem.
I'll carry it.
We'll just inside the children bag. This is your phone, Sha. Pass.
Came late for the stuff. No, I need it. Sorry, I'm almost done. So we actually came late for the stuff for kids. So they had, and we already paid. They didn't tell us before we entered that they are already closing. So they told us to come back on 2nd. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to come back here on Saturday. So I'm going to give you guys another video, like a proper video of the place. You know, when the kids will be having fun and all that. So we're heading home right now, and when we get home I'm going to talk to you guys again. But the lighting here is so beautiful, guys. Okay, when we get home, the lighting here is so beautiful. Let me show you guys. It's so beautiful. Can you guys see? Yes, but I did a bit of that one, Sha.
That's a
So I have to bath baby, take care of the kids, take care of myself, and then
Dinner
I'll go to bed. If you're happy that you saw the new year with me, please wish me happy new year in the comment section. And I'm going to end this vlog here because I'm about to go to bed. I didn't want to talk in the room because baby was already doing so thank you guys so much for making my year. Thank you guys for 2020. Oh, God used you guys to bless me this year. And to those my subscribers that have either lost their lives, that I don't know, obviously I don't know them, I pray that your soul rest in peace. And those that are not well right now, I just pray that you find healing. God's healing. God will heal you in Jesus' name. Those that need financial help, those that need whatever help, jobs, it will come to pass in Jesus' name. Whatever you're looking for will come to pass. So I love you guys. Baby is crying right now. Tulu, welcome to 2021.